Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta quickly. To achieve this, focus on 3 key areas: efficient water boiling, selecting the right pasta shape, and preparing your sauce simultaneously. This method ensures a delicious meal without spending too much time in the kitchen. You'll be surprised how fast fresh pasta can be ready for your table, making weeknight dinners a breeze. Let's dive into the details. First, let's optimize your water. Use a wide, shallow pot. It heats up faster than a tall, narrow one. Add a generous pinch of salt to the water, which not only seasons the pasta, but also helps the water boil at a slightly higher temperature. Always cover your pot with a lid to trap heat, bringing it to a rolling boil much more quickly. These small steps make a big difference. Next, choose your pasta wisely. Thin pasta shapes, such as angel hair or vermicelli, cook in just a few minutes. Always cook your pasta al dente, meaning it's firm to the bite, which is perfect for quick preparation and better texture. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of the starchy pasta water. This liquid is a secret ingredient for your sauce. Finally, bring it all together. Once your pasta is cooked, drain it and immediately toss it directly into your warm sauce. Add a little of that reserved pasta water to the sauce. It helps emulsify everything, creating a silky, cohesive dish. Stir well to coat every strand and serve your delicious, quickly made pasta right away for the best flavor and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.